If you currently own a car in this country, watch this video. Because gear problem is becoming very common. We get complaint about gearbox issue every single day. So the question is, can these problems be avoided? Is there a way to maintain your gear to avoid all this wahala? Yes, of course there is, and I will show you how. Either direct Belgium or Nigerian used, when you buy a car, try to confirm the actual state of the gear oil inside that car. People just buy a car and start driving. Because Chinedu at the car stand told you buy and drive does not mean you shouldn't check the fluid level in that car. You just bought a car direct Belgium. You don't know if they've ever serviced that gear. You don't know the current state of the gear. You are listening to Chinedu buy and drive. Chinedu that police is looking for. Because a car is sold for distress sale have put a young man in serious distress. Now your driving habit play a key role in the durability of your gear. Do not change your gear while you are in motion. Come to a complete stop before changing gear. Do not use your gearbox in place of handbrake. If you are parking your car, engage your handbrake. This will reduce the pressure on your gear. Do not drive for long with spare tire. An unbalanced car will put more pressure on your gear. Do not make any mistake of using your automatic gearbox as a towing van. It will damage your gear. Now your gear oil gets very hot as you drive. Make sure it is connected to the radiator. Now when you are changing your gear oil, make sure you change the transmission filter. Gear problems can be avoided, but you have to be very deliberate about avoiding them.